Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to show Windows form in a panel in C# WinForms. So let us start. So I will open my Visual Studio and then create a new project. WinForms app, then I'll click on next and then I will just leave it as default and then click on create. Now it is creating my application. So I have my form here. In my form I will add a button and a panel. I will place my panel here and like this, and my button like this. I will change this button's text to open form. Now I will add a new form to my project WinForms and I will name it as child form. And in my child form I will add a label. I place it in the middle of my form and I will change its text to child form, and then I will increase its font size to 36 and I will place it in the middle. Now I will double click this form and in here I will type child form. Child is equal to new child form, and now after here I will type braces, and in here I will type top level is equal to false and comma. Topmost is equal to true. Okay. So now I'll type child dot form border style is equal to form border style dot none, and now that panel. So in my form, this panel I have named it as panel child form. You can name it anything, but I have named it. So panel child form dot controls dot add, and in the parentheses I'll type child and then close it off. Now child dot show, and now it's done. Now I am running my application. It is building. So this is my form. I'll clicking on this button and my child form is here. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like and comment on this.